Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on AM Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ambank.com.my and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for AM Bank. Click on the login button at the top right corner and now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then click on the login now button. You can then type in your account password and proceed forward, and once you're logged in you can simply go into the credit card page and you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, click on contact us and then click on what number can I call for support. You will then find the phone number that you can call to get in touch with the support team. Just call this number and let the representative know that you wish to cancel your credit card. You will then be provided with the steps that you can follow in order to have your card cancelled. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your credit card on AM Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.